Hello guys, welcome to technology.net. I'm Arshad. So in this video, um, I will be showing you how to fix this server disconnecting issue, which says you disconnected from the server. Send 6 pings that remote has not responded to. So to fix this, just go to Play Store and install this VPN, Super VPN, free VPN client. So after installing it, go there and connect it to a European country like Germany. So just connect it. So it is connecting now. So after that, open Among Us. So now you can see game is launching. So it has now launched. So click on play online. So you can see change it to Europe, or you can play it in North America. So I will change it to Europe. Now let's try. So just try again. So you can see this game 1 minute. You can see the game has been started. So you can in this way you can play it without any error or a server disconnected issue. So as you can see, I am playing now. So guys, that's it, and please like and subscribe to my channel Technology. Thanks guys for watching. So guys, I won this match. I wished I would record it, but anyhow, this was the first victory in the Among Us. So let's